In today's video, I'm going to show you how all these different people are making money on TikTok, even upwards of $1,000 every single day. You're going to learn how to make money on TikTok, especially if you are a beginner. I'm going to show you how to create your account and how to take that account and get even millions of views on TikTok, because there's so many people doing this method and you don't even have to show your face or create the videos. These are all videos that are already created for you. So all you have to do is just basically repurpose this content on TikTok in order to get views and make money. And I'm going to show you this entire strategy inside of today's video. This strategy is extremely simple. We're going to be taking free traffic on TikTok by repurposing other viral videos. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, and we're going to direct that traffic to an affiliate link inside of the bio of our TikTok pages, and then that's going to direct people to a sales page, which then if they purchase a product on that sales page, then we are going to get what is called an affiliate marketing commission, and that commission is going to be 50% of the sale for the specific product that I'm going to be showing you in this video. I'm going to show you how channels like this one, Extreme Tate, this one right here, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦, and this one right here, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗟, are all making money on TikTok just repurposing Andrew Tate videos on the platform. This honestly has to be one of the simplest ways to make money on TikTok, and I'm going to show you exactly how each one of these accounts are making money by doing this method. First things first, if you haven't heard of this guy on the screen right here, Andrew Tate, he's basically taken over the internet by leveraging what is called Hustlers University, and that's his step-by-step program that teaches you how to make money online. And specifically, it's a Discord full of thousands of people who are all joining together to make money online. And as you can see here, every single account is promoting Hustlers University in some way. Let's go ahead and open up this link. And as you can see, this is an affiliate link for Hustlers University. So every single time somebody clicks on this link and purchases Hustlers University from the account 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦, then they are making a 50% commission on that sale. And what's cool is that anybody can promote Hustlers University as an affiliate. All you have to do is just join the Discord inside of Hustlers University, and you can learn to make money while making money as an affiliate marketer. Then you can follow these same examples as the accounts that I'm showing you on the screen now, where you just repost different videos of Andrew Tate, and you can see 907,000 views, 914,000 views, 1.6 million, 1.8 million. So many of these videos go viral. So if you just have a few people click over and purchase Hustlers University, then you can make a lot of money with this method on TikTok. First things first, you have to join Hustlers University if you haven't joined already in order to get that affiliate link. I'm going to go ahead and leave this page down below this video if you want to check it out. This is my page for Hustlers University, and as you can see down here, I actually offer bonus courses to anyone who joins Hustlers University through my affiliate link down below. And the reason I do this is because I absolutely believe in this program, and I can see that it's helping so many different people achieve financial freedom and success online through different ways of affiliate marketing, copywriting, drop shipping, all kinds of different methods. A lot of people are seeing success inside of this program. So that's why I offer 3 of my own courses to whoever joins Hustlers University. And all you have to do is just read this here and go ahead and shoot me a message, and I will send you over those bonuses after you have purchased and got inside of the Discord. Now, once you're inside the Discord, in order to get your affiliate link to promote Hustlers University, what you have to do is message the account manager !affiliate, and that's how you get your affiliate link. So as you can see here, I messaged the 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗡 !affiliate, and I was able to get my unique affiliate link as well as my affiliate dashboard just by doing this. And this is open to anyone. Once you do this, you can access the affiliate marketing program inside of Hustlers University, and then we can start promoting it on TikTok. And because Hustlers University automatically gives you a sales page, there's no reason for you to create any kind of landing page in order to make sales with this method. You can just put your affiliate link straight onto TikTok and start seeing sales come in. But before you do that, I highly recommend creating a bit.ly link for your affiliate link so you can keep track of how many clicks you're getting on the TikTok platform. So in order to create a bit.ly link for your affiliate link, go ahead and just hit the create button on bit.ly. It's absolutely free. Paste in your affiliate link right here where it says enter long URL, and then just hit create at the bottom, and you'll have your very own bit.ly link in order to promote Hustlers University. Now, when it comes to actually creating this content, it is so easy to find clips of Andrew Tate in order to repost them onto TikTok. I would use these 4 different ways in order to find clips of Andrew Tate to repurpose on your TikTok account. Number 1 is Instagram. Go over to Instagram, type in Andrew Tate to the search, hit enter, and find all the different clips for Andrew Tate. As you can see, there's over 60,000 posts that use the hashtag Andrew Tate, so you can find so many different kinds of posts and videos that show Andrew Tate, and then you can just use those videos by downloading them and putting them onto your TikTok page. Next place to find clips is on TikTok. Head over to TikTok and type in Andrew Tate, and then go to the videos section. This is where you're going to find some of the most popular videos hosting Andrew Tate. And what I recommend is taking these videos but changing them up a little bit so that they become your own video, so that TikTok recognizes that and pushes it more inside of the algorithm. As you can see, here's a good example of taking a TikTok video and adding something to it. You can see that this TikTok video right here adds images that pop up on the screen, as well as subtitles that match whatever words Andrew Tate is saying. So if you want to put in some extra effort, you can add little clips and images, and you can add subtitles in order to make your videos stand out on TikTok. Next, I recommend finding clips on YouTube. This is where you're going to find those long form videos that you can chop up into smaller videos and then put those onto TikTok. So head over to YouTube and type in Andrew Tate interview. You can see there's so many clips of Andrew Tate. This one's an hour and a half. This one's an hour and 17 minutes, 2 hours and 21 minutes, 2 hours and 42 minutes. These are all different interviews that Andrew Tate does on different talk shows that you can take and then chop up those different clips and then put that onto TikTok, making it your own content. And that's one of the best ways to do it, in my opinion. All you have to do is just download these videos, and you can even use a free platform like Canva to edit these videos to make them work on TikTok. Next, you can even use what is called the Tate library that is only found inside of Hustlers University. Basically, the Tate library is a library of clips that are already added to a Google Drive. So all you have to do is just download those clips, chop them up, and then use them on your TikTok. It is so simple. Let me show you how to do that. First things first, open up the Discord for Hustlers University, and then go to the affiliate program section for Hustlers University. And then you want to scroll down over here on the left, and you'll find Tate library. This is going to be the Google Drive that has all these different clips of Tate talking inside of interviews, and all you have to do is just download those clips and you can start using those clips. It's extremely simple. As you can see here inside of the Tate library, there is what is called the video catalog. You just click on that, open it up, and then you can just type in any kind of word that you want to search. So for me, I typed in the word hustle because I want to find clips that include Hustlers University. And as you can see here, this one is a YouTube clip that talks about Hustlers University. So all you'd have to do is just open this up, and it's going to give you the Google Drive where it has an interview of him talking with another person about Hustlers University. So you could basically just download that clip, edit it on Canva, and then you can upload that to TikTok. So I could just hit the download button on this video, upload that video onto Canva, drag that video over to the template on Canva, and then resize this video so it only shows Andrew Tate talking. So as you can see, all I have to do is just enlarge this and then drag it over, and it easily fits inside of this TikTok template. So as you can see there, all we have is Andrew Tate talking. So we could use this video on TikTok, post it, and start getting views so that we can get people inside of Hustlers University. And that is how this method works. Now, for your plan of action, I recommend jumping into Hustlers University if you haven't joined already to get that affiliate link. And you can get free access to 3 bonus courses of mine if you decide to jump into Hustlers University using my affiliate link. After that, I recommend creating TikToks just like the ones that you see on the screen. You can even use these as examples. Then create a bio that represents something like this, where you talk about Hustlers University and you have some kind of call to action that points to your affiliate link. Then all you have to do is just post 1 to 3 videos a day and do this on repeat so you can start getting a ton of views on your TikTok videos. Take advantage of this method and start making money on TikTok. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David, and I create all kinds of content on how to make money online, how to start different side hustles, and affiliate marketing. So if you're into that kind of content, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.